Good morning, dear students. Today we will start chapter 9 of English grammar and we will learn about nouns. We have already learnt about nouns, but today we will learn about number. What is nouns number? How to change singular noun into plural noun. So let's start. Singular and plural nouns. Today is Rinky's birthday. Read on to find out what she has to tell you. For my birthday party, all my friends were invited. My room was decorated with colorful balloons and stars. A cake was brought by my brother. I got many gifts. Jyoti, my friend, gave me a book which I liked the most. The nouns which are blue talk about a single thing or person, such as party, cake, book, brother. So, all these are singular nouns. The nouns which talk about single things are called singular nouns. Nouns which stand for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular nouns. So, you must remember this thing, children. Which are singular nouns? Nouns which stand for one person, one animal, one place or one thing. They are called singular because they talk about single. The nouns which are in red talk about persons or things which are more than one in number, such as friends, balloons, stars. So, all these are plural nouns. Nouns which stand for more than one person, more than one animal and more than one place or thing are called plural nouns. Plural nouns are formed in different ways. There are many ways to form plural nouns from singular noun. How we can change plural nouns? Let's learn. We add s to more singular nouns to make them plural. The simplest way to make singular noun to plural noun is to add s after every singular noun. Like after balloon, we will add s and it will be balloons. Friend, friends. Gift, gifts. Book, books. Tree, trees. Girl, girls. Table, tables. Chair, chairs. If the noun ends in s, x, sh or ch, we form plural by adding es. So, you must remember this thing, fix this thing in your mind. If there is s, x, sh or ch in the last of a singular noun, so we will form plural by adding es in the last of plural noun. Like in glass, we have s in the last, right? So, it will be glasses. We will add es. Next, in the last of the box is x. So, that is why we have added es. In the last of bush is sh. That is why we have added es. And in the last of church is ch. That is why we added es and it made churches. When nouns end in y and there is a consonant before y, we drop y and add ies. Means if there is y in the last of a singular noun and before that there is consonant. So, let us have an example. Party. Y is there in the last of party and before that there is t sound. So, is consonant sound. That is why we have dropped y from it and we have added ies in the last. There is no y in the parties. We have removed y from there and now it has become parties. In the same way, families, duties, armies, stories, fairies, babies, and countries. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The other letters apart from these are consonants. So, which are the consonants? For example, T, Y, S. Excluding A, E, I, O, U, every letter is a consonant. When nouns end in Y and there is a vowel before Y, we add S. So, in the last portion we had learned, if there is consonant before Y, we will remove Y and we will add IES. Now, here if there is Y in the last and before Y there is a vowel, then we will only add S. Like after day we have added S. In the same way, key, play, ray, boy, we have added S in the last only. Okay, nothing else. For most nouns ending in F or FE, we form the plurals by changing F or FE into VES. If there is F or FE in the last, what we will do? We will remove F or FE and we will add VES. Like if there is calf, we will remove F and we will add VES. So, what will it become? CALVES, calves. In the same way, halves, knives, leaves, thieves, wives and wolves. So, from every singular noun we have removed F or FE and we have added VES. However, some nouns do not follow this rule. There are some nouns that do not follow this rule. For example, chief, roof, proof. So, these are some, you can say some exemptions are there, some words are there which do not follow a rule. Most nouns ending in O form the plural by adding es. If there is O in the last, maximum nouns, they if we have to form a plural, how we will form? Like there is O in the last of buffalo. So, what we will do? We will just add es in the last. So, you must remember this thing. If there is O in the last, we will simply add es in the last. Some nouns do not follow this rule. For example, photo, photos, we did not add es in the last. Just be careful about these particular words. Photo, radio, piano, they have O in the last, but they do not follow this rule that if we have O in the last, we will add es. So, these are some special words you must remember. There are some nouns which do not follow these rules. So, we have learnt about many rules and let us learn about some nouns which do not follow these rules. So, which are these nouns? Aircraft. So, its plural will be aircraft. Sheep, plural will also be sheep. Deer, plural will also be deer, and fish, plural will also be fish. We write fishes when we mean a variety of fish. So, basically singular and plural of fish will be fish. But if we are talking about variety of fish, there are many kinds of fish, then we will say them fishes. The pond has many fishes because there are variety of fishes. Some nouns form their plurals in an irregular manner, means they do not have the rule, they do not follow a particular rule and they are formed in a different way, irregular way. For example, child, we add REN in the last, ox, we add EN in the last, oxen, mouse. So, we changed OU into IC. OUS into IC. Man, men, woman, women, foot, fit, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. You will have to memorize them. There is no rule applied for these nouns, so you must remember them. Some nouns are always used in the plural form. There are some nouns, they are never singular, they are always used in plural form, like scissors, trousers, spectacles, and socks. So, how can you remember them? Because we have two eyes, so we have two scissors. Sorry, we have two spectacles. And scissors have two parts that cut the things. Trousers are pants. We have two legs, that's why we wear trousers. We have two eyes, that's why we wear spectacles. We have two feet, that's why we wear two socks. That's why we never call a sock, it is a these are socks. Some nouns are always used in the singular form. There are some nouns which are always used in singular form, like furniture and news. So, let us revise, children. If the thing is one, like here monkey is one, so it is singular noun, and the bears are two. So, we are more than one, and that is why it is plural noun. That was all about nouns, the number. So, have a wonderful day, dear